So, let's talk about Beauty Pie. If you haven't heard of it yet, you're in for a treat. Beauty Pie is like that secret club for beauty lovers who want the luxury experience without the luxury price tag. Imagine walking into a high-end beauty store, surrounded by all those gorgeous products, but instead of cringing at the prices, you're just smiling because you know you can get the same quality for a fraction of the cost. That's the magic of Beauty Pie. Now, how does it work? It's pretty straightforward. You pay for a membership, which gives you access to their exclusive products at member prices. Think of it like a Costco for beauty, but instead of bulk groceries, you're getting high-quality skincare, makeup, and more. The membership fee is very reasonable, especially when you consider how much you can save. It's like having a VIP pass to the best beauty products, and who doesn't want that? The founders of Beauty Pie understood that the beauty industry is often riddled with markups that can make even the most basic products feel out of reach. They decided to cut out the middleman and bring luxury beauty products directly to consumers. It's all about transparency and making high-quality beauty accessible to everyone. So, if you're someone who loves to pamper yourself but doesn't want to break the bank, this is definitely something you should consider. Now, let's dive into my top picks from Beauty Pie. First up, the Super Healthy Skin Daily Moisture Cream. This is a game changer, I swear. It's rich and creamy but absorbs beautifully without leaving that greasy residue. My skin feels so hydrated and plump after using it. Plus, it has this lovely, subtle scent that just makes your skincare routine feel like a spa day. And the best part? It's packed with all those good-for-you ingredients without the hefty price tag you'd find in luxury brands. Next on my list has to be the Japan Fusion Pure Transforming Cleanser. If you're into double cleansing, this is a must-have. It's gentle yet effective, melting away makeup and impurities without stripping your skin. I love that it contains nourishing oils, so it leaves my skin feeling soft and clean, not tight. It's like a little ritual I look forward to every night, and I can't imagine my routine without it. And let's not forget about the makeup. The Wonder Gloss Collagen Lip Oil is an absolute favorite. It gives you that perfect, juicy lip look without feeling sticky. It's super hydrating, and I love how it adds just the right amount of shine. You can wear it alone for a natural look or layer it over your favorite lipstick for a glossy finish. It's one of those products that I always have in my bag because it's so versatile. Another standout is the One Powder Wonder. If you're a fan of setting powders, you need this in your life. It's incredibly lightweight and gives you that airbrushed finish without looking cakey. I use it to set my makeup, and it keeps everything in place all day long. It's perfect for those days when I need my makeup to last through long hours or special events. Lastly, I can't leave out the Beauty Pie makeup brushes. These brushes are so soft and luxurious, and they perform like high-end brushes at a fraction of the cost. They blend beautifully, and you can tell they're made with quality materials. Investing in good brushes can completely change your makeup game, and these are definitely worth it. So, there you have it. Beauty Pie is all about making luxury beauty accessible, and my top picks are just a glimpse of what they have to offer. If you're looking to elevate your beauty routine without emptying your wallet, I highly recommend checking them out. Trust me, your skin and makeup bag will thank you.